Next, we are going to say about agricultural practices. This agricultural practices have 7 steps are there. First one, preparation of soil, sowing, agricultural adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting and storage. First, we are going to see about preparation of soil. When soil loosens, soil helps to grow in earthworm, microorganisms and microbes. These organisms are friends of farmers. Soil have variety of nutrients. It helps to growth of plants. This nutrients helps to enrichment of soil. This loosening and turning soil is very important for cultivation of crops. This process is called tilling or ploughing. This step can be used in several agricultural implements like plough and hoe. Next, we will move agricultural implements. There are several agricultural implements are there. First, we will see 3 agricultural implements. First, 3 agricultural implements. First one, plough, hoe and cultivator. First, usage of plough, tilling or loosening, adding fertilizers, removing weeds. Hoe, it is a simple tool. It's a usage of adding fertilizers and removing of weeds. Next, cultivator. Cultivator like a tractor. It is easy to reduced labor time in paddy field. This is a plough implements. This is being used since ancient times or tilling the soil. This is a usage of, already I told, adding fertilizer to the crop, removing the weeds and turning the soil. First, how to made up of plough? This is made up of wood. This is made up of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals like horses and camels. It contains strong triangular iron strip called ploughshare. This is called ploughshare. This main part of the plough is a long log of wood which is called plough shaft. This is a plough shaft. Next, there is a handle at one end of the shaft. The other end is attached to the beam. Which is placed on the bull's neck. One pair of bulls and a man can easy to operate the plough. Next, we all understood, student. This is a plough shaft. This is a plough share. This is a beam. First, the triangular iron strip. This is a handle to the farmer man. Next, this is a plough share. This plough share which is placed on the one pair of bull's neck. Then this process is easy to operate the farmer. We are understood, students. Next, hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds for loosening the soil. Next, hoe. It is a simple tool. This handling is very easy. Next, cultivator. This cultivator like a tractor. It is a reduce a labor time. These are important words of D words: kharif crop, rabi crop and practices and cultivation of crops, preparation of soil, agricultural practices, tilling or ploughing. Next, agricultural implements: plough, hoe, cultivator, tilling, loosening, removing weeds. Then next we will move second step, sowing. This, before sowing, good quality seeds, clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. First, in this step, farmers select the good seeds. Next, identify the good quality of seeds. Then after the sowing the seeds in paddy field. There are 2 types of tools is used to sowing the seeds. First one, traditional tool, another one, modern tool. This traditional tool is used to plough. Already I told plough. That's a usage of loosening and turning the soil. Next, modern tool. First, this traditional tool. This traditional tool is used for sowing seeds, is shaped like funnel. Then seeds are tilled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. This is a traditional tool. Next, modern tool. It is a easy to nowadays farmers using this tool. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This protects the this seed drill, it protects from being eaten by birds. Already I told this is a plough. It is a traditional tool. Next, modern tool like seed drill. This is seed drill. It is attached to the tractor. Then this process allows plants to get sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. Soil gives variety of nutrients. That nutrients like potassium, magnesium and phosphorus. Next we will move third step, adding manure and fertilizers. Manure means natural substances. Fertilizers means man-made substances. These substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizer. Soil supplies minerals, nutrients to the crop plants. Nutrients essential for growth of plant. First we will see what do you mean by manure and what do you mean by fertilizer. First, manure. Manure is a natural substances. Then fertilizer means it's a man-made inorganic salt. This is a manure means organic salt, organic substance. Then fertilizer means inorganic substance. Then manure. Manure is prepared in paddy field. Then fertilizer is prepared in factories. Next, manure have rich in nutrients. Fertilizers have rich in nutrients, but the manure used to farming, but the plant growth is very slowly. But fertilizer used to crops, but the plants growth very fastly. That is the work of manure and fertilizers. Next, nutrients is essential for growth of plants. So the plant's roots is absorbed nutrients to transported to each and every part of the plant. The first advantage of manure. This organic manure is considered better than fertilizer. This is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. We are understood, student? What do you mean by manure and what do you mean by fertilizer? Manure means natural substances. This fertilizer means unnatural substances. Okay. In this class have three topics we are learned. First one, preparation of soil. Second one sowing, and third one adding manure and fertilizers. There are several difficult words are there. First one, agriculture. Depends on soil fertility. Udavu thodil. Next, crop. Farming crops. Vilaichal. Fertilizer. Nitrogenous fertilizer. Uram. Next, harvesting. Aruvadai. Next, kharif. ரெய்னி கிராப்ஸ், மழைக்கால பயிர்கள். அதாவது மழை காலத்தில் மட்டும்தான் வளரக்கூடிய இது பயிர்கள் இது. நெக்ஸ்ட், ராபி கிராப் இஸ் a வின்டர் அண்ட் சம்மர் கிராப். குளிர் அல்லது வெயில் கால பயிர்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட், சீட்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் விதை. நெக்ஸ்ட், sowing a thin layer of seeds on a top. Next, ploughing. We ploughed is garden. ஏர் உழு அப்படின்னு தமிழில் சொல்லுவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், ப்ரொடெக்டிங் பாதுகாத்தல். மேன்யூர் நேச்சுரல் கம்போஸ்ட் உரம் லைக் வெர்மி கம்போஸ்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட், கல்டிவேட்டார் விவசாயி. நியூட்ரியன்ஸ் சத்துக்கள். சீட்ரில் விதை துரப்பணம். நெக்ஸ்ட், மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம்ஸ் minute organisms in நுண்ணுயிர்கள் microbes. It's not visible to eye, it's seen only microscope. You are understood, student? These are difficult words in 3 subtopics. Okay, next, see this mind map. இப்படி தான் நீங்கள் மைண்ட் மேப் எழுதணும், பார்த்துக்கோங்க. First topic, what we have learnt? Preparation of soil. Next, 2 classification of crops, rainy season and summer season, kharif crop and rabi crop. Next, There are 7 steps are there agriculture practices. In today's class, we are learnt 3 topics only: preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers. We are understood students. நீங்க இப்படி தான் மைண்ட் மேப் போடணும். புரியுதுங்களா? Next, this first agriculture practice, and this first subtopic basic agriculture practices. 2 1 marks. Fill in the blanks. Next, 2 marks. Next, basic practices of crop production. Next, preparation of soil. Next, sowing. Sowing topic 1 mark, 2 mark. நீங்க இப்படி தான் எழுதணும். 1 mark, true or false. ஆக்சுவலாக ஒரு சப்டாபிக்லும் என்னென்ன 1 மார்க், என்னென்ன ட்ரூ ஆர் ஃபால்ஸ், என்னென்ன 3 மார்க் 5 மார்க் எடுத்து நம்ம இப்போ இந்த திஸ் இயர் நம்ம எதுவும் செப்பரேட்டாக ரைட் பண்ண போகிறோம். அப்போ தான் வந்து நீங்கள் படிக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாகவும் ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாகவும் இருக்கும். We are understood students what I am saying? Yes.